Welcome to our gardening channel. Today, we will address a crucial topic for all square gardening enthusiasts: how to avoid common mistakes that can compromise your harvest. Whether you are a beginner or experienced gardener, it is essential to know the pitfalls to avoid to ensure the health of your plants and the success of your garden. In this video, we will guide you through the most common mistakes encountered by square gardeners and provide practical tips to avoid them. We will cover various topics, from choosing materials to garden maintenance. Key points covered: choosing materials. Mistake: using chemically treated wood. Example: discover why treated wood can release harmful chemicals into the soil. Solution: opt for natural wood like cedar or pine, which is durable and safe. Inadequate soil mix. Mistake: not using the right soil mix. Example: a too compact mix can suffocate the roots. Solution: learn to create a well-aerated soil mix with compost, peat, and vermiculite. Over or under watering. Mistake: not regulating watering. Example: too much water can cause root rot, while too little can stress your plants. Solution: learn the best watering practices to keep your garden healthy. Unsuitable plant choices. Mistake: planting incompatible species. Example: some plants can harm each other. Solution: learn to select plants that thrive together using companion planting. Neglecting crop rotation. Mistake: replanting the same species in the same spot. Example: this can deplete the soil and promote diseases. Solution: discover how to effectively rotate crops to maintain soil fertility. Benefits of watching this video. By watching this video, you will not only learn to avoid common mistakes, but also optimize your square gardening for abundant and healthy harvests. You will benefit from practical advice and concrete examples that will help you become a knowledgeable and confident gardener. Call to action. If you are ready to transform your square garden and avoid gardening pitfalls, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Leave a comment below to share your gardening experiences or ask questions. And remember to share this video with your gardening friends.